Ang importante rito is, masabi ko sa iyo na we have to follow the marching order of the President. We need to produce results.
When can we expect the first batch of results, Mayor Benji?
Anytime soon.
Malapit
Anytime
na.
soon.
Hindi kami maghihintay ng matagal.
Hindi
Ganun
naman.
ho ba yun?
Hindi.
Okay.
Ibig sabihin, siyempre magkakaroon pa yan ng, pag-file mo yan ng kaso. Kasi ang trabaho naman namin is, investigate and file cases. Wala na kami dun sa after the filing of the case. Hawak na yan ng ombudsman, hawak na yan ng korte. Kaya, hindi na namin control yun. Basta ang importante is, makapag-gather kami ng evidence, develop a very tight case para hindi ito ma-dismiss, and then file it.
Is it going to be televised? Meron ho bang, sabi mo may spokesperson, number one, sino po ito? Number two, papaano ho namin malalaman ng update hinggil sa ginagawa niyong investigasyon?
Well, regularly magkakaroon naman. Right now, meron pang pinag-uusapan pa nila ng members ng commission kung sino yung magiging spokesperson.
Okay.
And at the same time, pati yung how regular would be the update to the public. We have to inform the public regularly.